Hey, Brian Mullenix here with another lightning tech tip, this time to demystify pivot tables. You've probably seen them, maybe been impressed by them. They're not as tricky as you think they are. So today I'm going to walk you through how to create a simple one. Primary thing you want to know when making your pivot table is you want to get your regular data. This is just a data pull from D&B Hoovers. You want to make sure you have no empty columns. This is fine as long as you have the header and that all your columns have headers. And all you really have to do is go over here to Insert, go ahead and click Pivot Table. Excel will do a nice job of highlighting all of your data for you. Ignore all the other comments. Go ahead and hit OK. In this case, I just want to find cities, and so I look through all my column fields, click and hold city, drag that into rows. And then I'm going to drag that same column down here into values, and it immediately tells me how many are in each city. Stay tuned for part 2, and we'll use this data in some meaningful ways.